what you can buy for under $600,000. We'll look at a house on the 22nd floor of this particular building.
ब्रैम्पटन में हो जा रहा है।
ये पूरी community Indian है. Condo market is not that crazy right now. And the view again, दिख रहा है, they are really good areas. 8 kilometers away from downtown Kitchener right now. If you're a couple, then I'll not recommend coming to Woodstock, honestly. Woodstock का mostly Indian predominant area. But the flooring is pretty substandard. अगर students को rent करना है, कुछ करना है, you know, that's also pretty convenient here. कुछ तो makeshift बना ही सकते हैं यहाँ पे. These are just markers that you need to see when you're looking at homes. So a lot of you know that I live in Kitchener, and therefore I wanted to go out today. It's a beautiful, beautiful weather, and I want to show you what you can actually buy in this crazy market. The inventory is super low. What you can buy for under $600,000. We look at condos, we look at condo townhouses, we look at freehold, we'll even look at detached, and I'll give you the numbers and you can decide for yourself. But the whole objective is what you can buy for under $600,000 in this area, Kitchener, Waterloo and the surrounding regions. So let's get started. So the first home that we'll see, we have to start with condos because they are underpriced right now. I'll talk about that when we see the condo. But this is my, office, and the building that you see there, this is one of the newest developments in Kitchener, Waterloo, and it's priced pretty cheap. You can actually get a 2-bedroom between 450 to 500. We'll look at a house on the 22nd floor of this particular building, and you can see that the LRT is just there, so it just went here. There's the tracks. The GO station is just very close to this particular establishment. We are in Kitchener downtown, so everything is very close here, including Google office, Manulife office, Deloitte office. All these big companies have their headquarters in Kitchener downtown. So this particular building that we are seeing is in the center of everything. So ये courthouse है. This is Conestoga. And this is the building, and this is Parth.
Hi.
And he'll be showing us around today. Alright, so this particular house is on the 22nd floor, and this is listed for $529, but there are comparables in this building which are selling for under $500 as well. Condo market is not that crazy right now, so you might be able to get a good deal, but we'll just show you the unit. Okay, so 690 square feet.
690 square feet.
It has a parking.
It does come with a parking. It does come with a locker. The good thing which I like for this one is, like, compared to other units, the condo fees is roughly about $100 less. So this is $517. If you see any other condo of this size in the area, it's roughly $650.
This is 517. Yeah, makes sense.
517.
Yeah. And the thumb rule is that it should be under 75 cents per square feet, roughly, and this includes everything except for hydro.
Yes, it includes heat, internet. Yeah.
Oh, internet is also included, so that's pretty good. It's not there in my building, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. 2 full baths are there, so we'll just show you around, and you can see, if that's something that you like. So that's the entrance. Basically, you can just put some shoes, and this is the jacket closet. Then you have 1 bathroom here. This is the full bath with a bathtub, and it is like a standing shower as well, which is it's pretty good. Then you just come here. Then you have the kitchen. Now the problem that I have with most of these units, newer units, is the kitchen space, the counter space is less. I won't say it's a small kitchen because there's enough storage, but still it would be nice, if there's an island here, for family, friends and stuff like that. Then we have 1 living room here. It's pretty big. You can have a nice sitting area here. This is the second bedroom.
This is the second. This is the guest one.
Yeah. This is the guest bedroom. Decent size. I think it can have a queen bed, and it has a good size balcony. You can see the view. It's beautiful.
That's a really nice thing. I mean, not many guest bedroom will have like this kind of windows.
Yeah, and this is the tallest building in Kitchener, right? So we are at the 22nd floor of the tallest building. This is the main bedroom. It's basically the master bedroom. Again, same view here, and you have a full bath with a shower. And the view again, the highlight. We are in the center of Kitchener downtown, so everything is visible from here. So हम basically यहाँ से आए थे नीचे से, and this is Conestoga College, and this is the courthouse. So it's अगर स्टूडेंट्स को रेंट करना है, कुछ करना है, that's also pretty convenient here. This is a pretty nice, one of the nicer units I've seen in new, right? So this is brand new. This is like 1 year, hardly 1 year old. So obviously you can find something in older buildings, let's say 5-6 years old, or the one that I have, One Victoria. You might find something for under 500 easily, I would say, right now in this market. But this is new, central, very high floor. That's why it's a little bit higher. But if you are going for 1 bedroom, 1+1, you might even get something for like 420, 430, 440. These are 2021 prices, early 2021 prices, 2020 COVID prices, and you are actually getting those things for that price. So it's pretty good. Let's go to the next one now. Right, so now we are in Williamburg area. This is very close to my area, जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ. So this is Dune South, Huron Park, वो Williamburg बोलते हैं वैसे एरिया को. And you have a lot of market here. So you'll see here, यहाँ पे पेट्रोल पंप है. वहाँ पे पूरी मार्केट है, अभी जाके दिखाएंगे आपको. सारा कुछ है वहाँ पे.
So there are 3 buildings over here, A, B and C block. So right now C building is sold out. The price is roughly about 530 and it goes up to 589. थोड़ा ऊपर का होगा, that will be 589, and it also starts from 550 as well. So from 550 to 589 depending what kind of layout you choose.
So this is 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Condo fee कितनी है roughly?
Condo fee roughly about $250. A little bit higher than $250. Yeah.
That's not too bad for the location.
It includes the internet as well.
And what's the size of these condos?
It starts roughly about 1100 to 1350.
Oh,
yes.
That's big.
That's big. Yeah, 1300 square feet condo, 2 bedroom for 550, roughly about in that price. It's really amazing.
So we just saw, a condo for about 520, and let's say, that's around 500. If you spend $30,000-$40,000 more, you get much more square footage. The only downside is obviously that was downtown. This is not downtown. You still have all the amenities here. You have good schools here. The school rating is like 6.97 here.
Yeah. So Williamsburg down there is 7 and above. Glen Crane, अगर ये Glen Crane में आता है, that is 6.9. So those are really nice.
Just so you know, so my brother-in-law actually comes to this bus stop. So there's a bus stop here. This is actually connected to everywhere. In fact, even downtown Mississauga, all those buses, actually come here. So this is one of the main junctions for, the main bus stops. And it's pretty nice.
Yeah. The other good thing is like if you want to go down to Highway 7 and 8, it's roughly like 4 to 5 minutes just from here.
Yeah,
so that's a really nice location to be in. Not exactly on the highway, but like 4 to 5 minutes from the highway.
And I feel condo townhouse is a good mix of both lives. So you don't have to do a lot of snow shoveling and stuff like that, because everything is taken care of by garbage collection. All that is taken care of by the condo management. Plus you get good space in a little bit of condo fee that you pay. So I think it's a good,
100%, yes.
Because freeholds here, 3-bedroom freeholds would cost you around 750 plus. A house like mine, which is 3-bedroom, 4-bath, that will be about 830 to 850, right? Depending on the layout. So this is basically the website for Activa Homes. So Annenbrook Towns is the one that we just showed. And if you go down, you will see it's 3 floor plans. One of them is $529, almost $530,000. I would not choose this because this is almost is a basement. It's not, it's ground floor, but I like these floor plans better. For just $20,000, you get more square footage, a better, lighting. You can also go for a corner condo townhouse, which is also pretty good. It's slightly higher, $40,000 more. If I were you, I would go for something like this, which is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, whereas this one is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Depends on what your choice is. If you look at the floor plans here, if I just go here, you'll see that there's a massive, dinette and kitchen and living room, which is a common area. Then you have a half bath here. And if you go to the 3rd floor, which is the upper floor, you'll have 2 bedrooms. One has a walk-in closet plus an ensuite, and then you have another bathroom for the 2nd bedroom. And it's a pretty decent sized, the washer dryer is on the main floor. So yeah, it's very good layout. It has a balcony as well. So that's where, I really like this plan. I think for $550,000 in a really good neighborhood, and 1,368 square feet is what you get. 1 parking space, 2.5 bath, 2 bedroom. I think it's a good deal. So that was the development. You will see CIBC there. So behind that is the development. You cross the road and then you come to McDonald's. You have all the shops here. You have, a few companies. You have, Indian, dosa restaurant if you are into dosas. And then you have Sobeys there. You have TD here. And there are many, shops there. Which are pretty nice and very convenient. And कहीं पे भी अगर McDonald's दिख रहा है, you will also, यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा, but इसके पीछे Starbucks है. जहाँ पे भी आपको McDonald's और Starbucks दिख रहा है, they are really good areas. So this area is basically Huron Park. यहाँ पे जितने भी आप टाउन हाउसेज देख रहे हो ये कॉन्डो टाउन हाउसेज है सारे. Again, a lot of them were listed, all of them are sold right now. और यहाँ पे भी ना सारे कॉन्डो टाउन हाउसेज बने हुए हैं. यहाँ पे सारा this is the local market, Huron Park की. So my house is just behind these houses. These houses here are 2016-2017 built, so they are a little bit cheaper. 580 के आसपास all of them went, and it's right on the main road. ये Fisher Hallman road है, so it's right on the main road. And अगर इसके अंदर जाओगे तो they are slightly bigger, they are slightly newer as well. In fact कहीं की तो अभी possession में नहीं मिली है, and those are like 600, 610 builders अभी कहीं बेच रहे हैं. Fusion Homes का बनाया हुआ है, so they are very well built also. So yeah, for all those who feel that nothing is available under 600, all these things are available under 600, and we are right in the center of Kitchener. We are just like 7 or 8 kilometers away from downtown Kitchener right now, and schools are good, and the market area is good, the locality is good, pretty nice. So that's the Tim Hortons that I was talking about. And if we go up this hill, but if you see that area, so here you have Longo's, Shoppers Drug Mart, McDonald's, Burger King. तो ये सब कुछ यहाँ वाले एरिया के अंदर आ रहा है. Starbucks भी आ रहा है यहाँ पे. Like I said, if these guys have spent millions of dollars in doing research, all we need to do is buy around these areas and keep it long term to get good returns. That's one of the reasons why I bought here. I didn't know that there was Longo's and all these things which were coming. It was just like a space for retail establishment. That's what it said in the plans. But I was like, when I came here, I was like, Walmart is a little bit far away from here. So I was like, something will come here. And as it turns out, Longo's and all these things are coming here. So these are just markers that you need to see when you're looking at homes. So Parth, where are we going now?
We are going to Woodstock right now to check out some amazing pre-con projects.
And Woodstock, a lot of people want space. Woodstock is a little bit far. We'll show you how far it is and what is the advantage and disadvantage. But the biggest advantage is you'll get space and you'll get a freehold under $600,000. So we'll see that. And then we'll head to Stratford. These are all areas in and around, surrounding Kitchener-Waterloo. They are a little bit far, like I said, but it's right on 401. So we'll show the location. I have not been there. I don't know if you...
I have been to Woodstock and Stratford before, but okay. Not to this specific site.
All right, let's go. So we are in Woodstock right now. Woodstock is almost 30 minutes from Kitchener, and it's in the other direction. So it's 30 kilometers even further away from downtown. Just so you know, Kitchener जो है वो downtown से around 80-90 kilometers, I would say 90 kilometers के आसपास है, and it takes about 1 hour to 1.5 hours depending on the peak traffic. कई बार 2 घंटे भी लग जाते हैं, and ये 30 minutes और अंदर जाके है, about 50 kilometers towards west of Ontario. एंड यहाँ पे जो घर है ना, जो जैसे पीछे भी देख रहे हो, दीज आर ऑल 700-750 के आसपास डिटैच्ड हाउसेस. एंड यहाँ पे अगर टाउन हाउस देखोगे तो यू विल गेट अराउंड 500 से 600 के बीच में. सो येस, यू आर कमिंग फार, बट यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग बिगर हाउसेज इन द सेम प्राइस.
सो द डेवलपमेंट इज फ्रॉम कैशर होम, हार्टवुड करके प्रोजेक्ट है. एंड टाउन हाउस जो है दैट इज लाइक 20 फीट टाउन हाउस. इट स्टार्ट्स रफली अबाउट 1300 स्क्वायर फीट ऑल द वे टू 1800 स्क्वायर फीट, 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, which is pretty standard. एंड प्राइसिंग अगर आप देखो तो इट्स लाइक फ्रॉम 589 to 689. So
589 का 1300 square feet.
1300 square feet.
And it's freehold, right?
It's freehold. That's a really good point because most of the houses you will see right now, it's either portal or या तो फिर condo town house हो गए. So this is like completely freehold. It's a good point.
So यहाँ पे अभी कुछ नहीं है. इसका presentation center is in Cambridge, but we wanted to show you the site. So it's pretty decent. काफी बड़ी development है. कब है इसकी possession?
They will be in November of 2025.
November of 2025.
2025, yes.
Okay, that's awesome. Different floor plans that are available. This is the one which is the cheapest, under $600,000. It's 1,364 square feet. Now it's obviously small. It has an unfinished basement with the rough-ins. It also has, like a pretty decent, dining area, family room. The kitchen is pretty decent. It's very similar to the house that we live in. And this is the upper floor where you have the bedroom, you have the ensuite, you have the walk-in closet. So it's pretty good. The bedroom too is also, okay size. It's not massive, but it's 110 square feet, which is pretty good. And the third one can be used as a baby room or a study. It can be used as a bedroom, but it will be a little bit tight. But again, it's less than 1,400 square feet, so it will be a little bit tight on the third bedroom, obviously. But you can go for slightly over $600,000 and get a decent size, 1462 or a 1540 square feet house. So all these are under 650. This is the only model which is under 600. And I feel that, if you need a little bit of more space, this could be a really good option. The possession for these is about 20-25, but it also depends on the lot and the floor plan that you choose. You know, I would not say that, you know, this is the most like up and coming area. It's only for people who are buying for themselves, who are working from home. You want bigger space, you have kids, and you might get, you know, more bang for your buck here. If you're looking for a freehold townhouse, you'll get it under $600,000. If you're looking for a detached house, you'll get it for 700, 750, like very decent. You know, you might even get a double garage. But we just wanted to show you what you can actually get, and this is a nice development. If you're a couple, then I'll not recommend coming to Woodstock, honestly. You know, it's just only for families, you know, who can afford to live a little bit further. So we are here to look at this particular beautiful house. It's a detached house, 1300 square feet in Woodstock, in a very Indian dominated area. We'll see the park as well. मेरे को विश्वास नहीं होता पार्क में जब बोला था कि इंडियंस रहते हैं यहाँ पे. किचन भी काफी बड़ी है.
Good kitchen, yeah. It's not, so there are different things. Basically, this is not a traditional quartz or something. If you see, quartz ranges from $60 to $150. This is like a really high-end quartz.
Yeah. Nice. So it's 2014 build.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go up.
It's really nice. I mean,
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah.
This is very, very
Look at
upgraded.
it. It looks like a really grand house.
I mean, it can be a small bedroom. या kids room या फिर study जैसे बना रखे हैं उन्होंने. ठीक ठीक साइज है. अच्छा ये तो सही है, decent size है. That's the master bedroom. Again, good size, very well built. Walk-in closet. Decent size. अच्छा, there's only one washroom, but Jack and Jill है. ऊपर एक washroom है इसमें.
ऊपर एक washroom, yes.
एक नीचे एक ऊपर है. And there's a road, तो ये आगे कुछ बनेगा भी नहीं इतना. हाँ, बैकयार्ड काफी बड़ा है इसका.
This one is listed for $689,900.
But I think it will go for lower.
It could, yeah.
30 days से listed है.
30 days से listed है, yes.
So,
The only reason is कि square feet कम है. Most of the time when people are
ऊपर one washroom है, so
Yeah,
that's the downside.
They want like 1500 square feet.
हाँ.
But I really like the layout. अब ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि ये 13.
हाँ, exactly वही मैं बोल रहा था. They've made it very well.
Yeah.
So this I think is the garage. Normal standard size garage. This I think is the powder room.
Powder room. Yeah.
Hello. Now we are going to the basement. They have carpet here. Nice. कुछ तो makeshift बना ही सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
Yeah, definitely. I really like this कि एक कोने में इन्होंने rough in दिया हुआ. It's not like in the center.
हाँ, so this will be the washroom. अगर किसी ने बनाना है तो washroom वहाँ पे आएगा. But it can be a bedroom or a gym या ऐसा कुछ.
A good one size one bedroom with like a self unit basically. वहाँ पे bathroom and then a one bedroom
हाँ.
and a common space थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ, नहीं सही होगा. अच्छा. So Parth just pointed out some things in the house. Like this house looks beautiful, right? If you look at this house, but the flooring is pretty substandard.
Yes, and even there are some air gaps in the flooring. So if you see the pictures of this house, it looks really, really superb nice. But when you come and visit it, you will find some flaws. But that's with every house. But in this one, it's like a little bit more.
So I was being the normal home buyer who was like, oh wow, what a house, what a house. And then Parth is like, no, you know, here's a gap here. So you always, you know, it's good to work with a team who actually looks beyond the emotion, because obviously, you know, as first time home buyers, we are emotional about the house. But a realtor's job, a mortgage agent's job is not to be emotional and not to go with the emotion of the client and look at those gaps as well, which do require real money. Some gaps in the house, but overall, I think it's a very well-made house.
Yeah, good layout. That's a really plus point, I would say.
So $650,000 gets you something like this in Woodstock. Again, it's far. It's about 30 minutes from Kitchener. Now we'll go a little bit closer to Kitchener. We are going to Stratford. So let's go to Stratford and we'll actually see detached houses under around 700,000.
That will be roughly starts from 800,000, but those are like super quality build. The Ridgeview is the builder, so you will see the difference between a standard house and the Ridgeview house basically.
All right, let's go to Stratford, which is closer to Kitchener. I mean, the entire community is so quiet and nice. काफी सारे Indians हैं. So this is basically Woodstock का mostly Indian predominant area.
Brampton, yeah.
हाँ, Brampton है ये. Kitchener Waterloo का Brampton है ये बोल रहे हैं. So this particular house is pretty nice. I'll not show a lot because we are not supposed to. It's a double garage house and it is sold conditional. It was listed for about 820. So यू नो 820 में अगर ये वाला घर मिल रहा है, बहुत बड़ा घर है, डबल गराज है, तो काफ़ी सही है। मन कर रहा है वुडस्टॉक में हो जाए, ब्रैम्पटन में हो जा रहा है। हाँ, इंडियन कम्युनिटी अगर इतनी सारी, ये पूरी कम्युनिटी इंडियन है, मतलब टोल गेट कर एक जगह है, एंड यू नो पार्क में भी सारे बच्चे भी इंडियन है। यहाँ पे हमने देखा, हम कोशिश कर रहे थे कि किसी से मिल लें, बट ऑब्वियसली इन्होंने दोपहर है तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं नहीं आसपास, बट इट्स वेरी नाइस। Alright, so we are in Stratford right now. Stratford is about 40 minutes from downtown Kitchener, so it is not that close. Within 30 minutes भी आती होंगी कोई चीज़ें, but this is a development by Ridgeview Homes. Ridgeview is one of the most premium builders. यहाँ पे आप घर भी देखोगे, presentation center बहुत ही fancy बना रखा है इन्होंने.
So Ridgeview, as Navjot said, one of the very premium builder in Kitchener-Waterloo region. There are a few projects in Kitchener-Waterloo. They are doing in Stratford as well. Most of the houses you will see down here is like single detached with double car garage starting from $800,000. So it is for someone who is living in Kitchener-Waterloo region, have a hybrid job. It makes sense for them to move if they are looking for a new build, a bigger house in a very relative good price point.
So this is starting 800,000.
800,000, yes.
Like this house will be about 850.
Yes, 850, and it does have like 1590 square feet.
Alright, we are back. सब गेड़ी वेड़ी मारा है मस्त तरीके से. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just go to the description, fill the form. Parth will get in touch. The team will get in touch. We'll do the numbers with you. Now you don't have to buy the exact same homes. Obviously, they might not be available, but we just wanted to show you what you can get for a lower price. Not everything is over $1 million. You can get decent houses in less than $600,000. We looked at condos all the way to detached houses. Obviously detached for more than 600, but still these are decent options. A little bit far, but it's pretty good. That's all we have for today. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए bye bye.